Hi, good morning all. How are you all? So this is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to highlight the based on the user selection. So this is kind of the highlighted table. Like if you select the top will be highlighted. So I have just type in the top five, so I can see there the top five has been highlighted. One, two, three, four, five. Same goes for the bottom. Bottom five has been highlighted. So if I enter two, I need to see the three bottom. Yeah, two bottom, so I can see the two bottom as well as, and I wanted to see the top, so I can see the top bottom as well as. Okay, so how can we implement it in the Tableau? Using the parameter and some calculation, nested calculation, if or else calculation. Okay, so let's create a table. So table you need to create, throw it subcategory in the column and reason in row, and throw it cells in the text. Okay, so you need to look like this after creating the dimension, throwing the column arrow. You need to look like this kind of table. Okay, let it be this. Okay. And the first step will be we need to create a two parameter. Saying top and bottom. Top and bottom. And I'll be using the string one. Descending goes in my top. Ascending goes in my descending. Okay. So you must be know the underlying data. So the original value will be descending, but the display as the top and bottom. Okay, first done. And second parameter will be top and value. Top and value is my integer, so as of now I'll make it 5. So user can enter as per your requirement. Let it be show. And top and bottom value. Okay, so we have been create two parameter, which is the top and value. This is the integer top, and on bottom this is the string. Okay, in the behind the scene, this is top is a descending and the bottom is a ascending. Okay, so let's create our calculation. Bottom, I am using rank sum of sales, rank sum of sales, comma. So using a comma instead of descending or ascending like this, instead of this I'm using my parameter which I have created this. Okay, so let it be. So I'm saying top or bottom, rank sum of sales, top or bottom, whatever I select, top or bottom, and I'm also configure this top and values, which is user typing. So I'm saying less than or equal to my top and values. Okay. So I have configured both the parameter with the rank function. Let's apply and OK. Now you need to drag this in color cell. Now you can see the few colors. Some is oranges and some is blue. Where's my laser? So go to maybe analysis, and your color laser will be this. Okay. So true is this, false is this. Okay. So let's, since this is like if I select 3, so you cannot see the 3, there are the multiple values. Okay. If I 1, you cannot see the 1. Okay, why? Because, sorry, because this rank function is a table calculation, so you need to configure this according to this scope, otherwise it won't give you the result as per your requirement. You need to aware about that. Rank is the table calculation, so I have just click the right and I'm saying compute using table across then down. Okay, so now I can see the one value which I've selected. User selected the one. I can see the highlighted is the one which is bottom, and the top is this. Okay, so now so far so good. My calculation is working. Let me check if I see top 3. So I can see the top 3 as well as 1, 2, 3, and I want to see the bottom. So I can see the bottom 1, 2, 3. Okay, and more you wanted to highlight it with this. I'm going to highlight table. No, no. And one thing you notice, after selecting the top and bottom, the color hasn't been changed. Like if the top, I can see the some orange color. If I see the bottom, and I will see the orange color. And this is not the requirement. The requirement is if I select the bottom, bottom should be red. If I select the top, top should be green. Okay. So now let's edit this top and bottom calculation. I'm using the nested if condition here. So I'm saying top and bottom. Okay. If my top and bottom equal to descending, then if rank this, then top and else if this top and bottom equal to ascending, then so I need to copy this and paste it here. I'm saying bottom and okay. So what I'm saying here, so this is a nested if else calculation. So I'm saying if the top and bottom descending, which is the underlying data, top, this is the display value, but underlying data is the descending or ascending. If I'm saying if rank sum of cells top or bottom, the top and value, then give me top. Else if the ascending selecting, give me the bottom. Okay. So null, I'm going to say null will be my blank because I don't want to highlight the nulls. And square top of this, bottom should be red, and let it be aligned some, and border should be green or little bit black. Okay, it's good. Okay, now you can see. Let's me I give me the top 5, sorry, bottom 5 from the sales and as well as give me the top 5. Okay, that's good. Can you please show me the top 10 values so I can see the top 10 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the bottom 5, bottom 10 as well as. So this is how you can build this highlight table. This is very useful functionality. Your end user can ask you, give this functionality to, if user can enter any kind of n values 1 to 100, they give me the values. Just highlighted the top and bottom. This is the eye-catching functionality which you can implement your in Tableau. Okay, so that's it from this video. Signing off. Bye.